So much
AHI and then
happening.
culture, vulture.
I know. It's so much fun with Yavar. Fashion
Yeah.
Fortnightly is so much fun
Yeah.
with Tabish.
Yeah.
Something Hot reviews are so much fun with Hassan. I think we're
Yeah.
so balanced together.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
had so much
I
fun.
always found that very interesting. कि
So good.
Hassan and you were like chalk and cheese to
Which
me.
is what is
You know,
working. Yeah.
जब मैं उसको देखती हूँ मैं कहती हूँ कि यार ये और उसके बोलने का तरीका and everything is so
Hassan is
different.
unabashedly Punjabi. Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah.
that I mean I was just shocked when it first happened, but obviously but then I could understand it also, and I could understand your respect for his opinions and the way
Totally.
he does things
Yeah,
as
yeah,
well.
yeah.
And he actually became famous because of Something Hot, I think, at some point.
No, let's not say
Oh, but I'm
that.
telling
No.
you because I didn't
No,
know.
I think Hassan and I both became famous because of Something Hot.
Acha,
As a
okay.
fashion journalist, I'm not famous.
Yeah,
Nobody knows a fashion journalist
true.
or a model or a stylist, or nobody knows a fashion journalist. It's when we started talking about television dramas that, there's like, I don't know how many million people, the diaspora everywhere.
Yes.
And we have a 60% global audience,
Right. Oh wow.
right?
Wow.
And it's like, there's Pakistan, there's India, then it's the United States, it's North America, Canada, Middle
UK.
East, UK. So we've got a huge international audience.
Right.
And they relate to us because of the way we are. And that's how we both became famous, not just Hassan.
Right.
I was famous to you because of fashion.
Because how I knew you.
Because of-
and also the
yeah.
power you had. Sorry.
Okay, but
Power of the pen.
yeah, but I mean, जो fame जो अगर आपने कहना है, if you want to call it fame, it's because of our reviews on Something Hot.
Right.
Yeah,
Wow.
views तो वहीं से आते
I
हैं.
had a question in my mind, but it slipped now. It's gone. Does that happen to you? Of
What?
course.
All the time, man.
Oh
It's
my God.
perimenopause. Hello, it's like my life has changed.
Right. What would be the question if you had asked me a question, which you will anyway ask me, but if you did, what would you ask me?
If you had to change one thing about how you've led your life, what would you change?
What would I change? I don't even think it's possible. It
It's
is
a
what it is.
hypothetical question.
I know. What would I change about my
Yeah.
life? I think I would have been more street smart.
Okay.
Okay. In growing up in my younger years, maybe I would have seeked out therapy a lot earlier, which would have helped me counter some of the relationships I've had. The toxic masculinity, जिसकी तुम काफ़ी बातें करती हो, तुम्हें वो पसंद भी हैं ड्रामा में. But वो चीज़ें
I don't like toxic masculinity.
No, you don't. You talk about it. I'm saying you
Yeah,
talk
yeah,
about it and you
yeah.
bring it out कि
Yeah,
भाई
yeah.
ये ड्रामा इसकी बात कर रहा है या पेट्रियार्की की बात कर रहा है. वो चीज़ें अगर मुझे उस वक्त समझ आ जाती, maybe I would have. But I think it is what it is. Like I have a lot of faith, like you. I'm also very
Yeah,
spiritual.
yeah.
जो लोगों को नहीं पता.
Yeah.
तो मैं हमेशा ये समझती हूँ कि it is what it is. It is the journey that you have to go through to come
Yeah.
to where you are.
Absolutely.
Okay, and of course you'd like to change tech, but मुझे तो उसके भी अब regret ही नहीं है. कोई regret
No
नहीं है.
regrets.
No regret.
No regrets.
No regrets because I think
Regrets नहीं हो सकती.
वो हो ही नहीं सकती because वो टाइम ऐसा होता है उसके वो चीज़ सही होती है या गलत होती है आपको नहीं समझ आती.
Absolutely.
वो choices होती हैं जो कि आप करते हैं और जब आप older and wiser हो जाते हैं वो आपको सब चीज़ें समझ आनी शुरू हो जाती हैं.
Yeah.
So I don't think so. I don't think I would change anything. When people used to ask me as a model, physically, what would you say? I would be like 5 inches taller. I would say that.
Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah.
And I think that also, now in retrospect, no. Because I think being the height that I was, which is taller than most Pakistani women, you work harder.
Yeah.
When you have something that you don't have, you work harder.
Absolutely.
You have to work harder to
Yeah.
be successful
Yeah.
in that field. So I think that's what I think. Yeah. But आगे क्या करना है? अब ये बताओ ना, मुझसे ये सवाल कोई करे ना कि आगे क्या करना है?
आगे क्या करना है?
आगे क्या करना है? बच्चे तुम्हारे बड़े हो गए हैं.
Yeah.
ठीक है, अच्छे यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में पढ़ लिया उन्होंने. You have a successful business.
Yeah.
और बहुत smart थी because you went into it pretty early before a lot of people did. And I
Before,
think-
yeah, absolutely.
and also you found a niche.
Yeah.
You were smart, you know, कि you saw कि fashion मर रहा है और मुझे ये करना है और तुम्हारी networking भी strong है, I must say. So you got that.
नहीं है networking
अरे
strong.
यार है.
मुझे लगता है मेरी नेटवर्किंग ही नहीं है.
नहीं है.
नहीं है?
है strong.
Okay.
You know, still the thing is when you have a successful business, that the power comes from there too. You understand what I'm saying? It might not be the networking, but the fact that you have a platform which people look at and say, I remembered the question. Your fans.
Yeah.
You have a fan club. Like not
Yeah.
just for drama वाला, because तुम्हारा
Yeah.
अपना भी इंस्टाग्राम है, तुम तैयार होती हो, तुम तस्वीरें लगाती हो, मैं देखती रहती हूँ.
Yeah.
So you have that whole fan
Yeah,
club.
that's so amazing, you know.
Yeah.
I feel so blessed because
That's your network, yaar.
that's my network.
That
for
is
sure.
your network.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite fan? What do they say? How do they uplift you in the morning?
They give me so
when you
much
wake-
love. It's just that anything I put up, you know,
Yeah.
there's an outpouring of love on everything. I could do anything and they're like, you know, I mean, शुरू में डर लगता था ना कि you know, if you're overweight, they will body shame, and people do get body shamed, you know. मेरी कभी ट्रोलिंग नहीं हुई. कभी मेरी ट्रोलिंग नहीं हुई. कभी किसी ने मुझे मोटी भैंस नहीं कहा, you know, and मैं देखती हूँ लोगों को, लोग कहते हैं इस किस्म के अल्फाज इस्तेमाल करते हैं. They use these kind of
अरे
words.
सारा वक्त
हर वक्त करते हैं.
मुझे करते हैं सारा वक्त. बुढ़ी घोड़ी, लाल लगाम, सारा वक्त मैं छोड़ देती हूँ. और मुझे लोग कहते हैं कि डिलीट क्यों नहीं करती. मैंने कहा नहीं,
मुझे
रहने
कभी
दो.
नहीं किया. मुझे कभी नहीं हेट मिली.
Why is it? What are you
I
doing?
don't know,
What-
man. I don't know.
Give me some advice.
I'm just blessed.
Bring it on.
I'm just blessed. मुझे कभी नहीं मिली. Nobody's ever
बहुत
told
पसंद
me.
करते हैं तुम्हें.
I get so much love.
हाँ.
And you know, if you're going anywhere, and up to it's so strange. Like Musa lives in New York, and he was on the subway, and this couple stopped me, and they asked him, "Are you Amna Sani's son?" And he was like, "Yeah." And it's like, we watch her show, we love her. And they were, of course, Pakistani
That's so
settled in New
beautiful.
York. Yeah,
That's
and it was like people
beautiful.
recognize him because of a picture I may have put up.
Yeah.
But there's so much love.
Yeah.
And I also push the envelope at times, you know.
But do you respond to them? कहते हैं ना कि जो लोग आपको लिखते हैं आपको उसके ऊपर
Sometimes I do. I mean, I just get too many DMs now, you know, people sharing their personal stories. I read them all. But it's difficult to sort of, you know, emails भी होती हैं.
नहीं, but वो पर्सनल स्टोरी क्यों शेयर कर रहे हैं तुम्हारे साथ? एडवाइस के लिए?
दिल हल्का करने के लिए, कई एडवाइस के लिए, which I never give because I'm not equipped to give personal advice, you know.
You don't answer back?
No.
You
no,
can't?
I don't. I know.
So please everybody forgive Amna for not answering
Not
back on the
answering, yeah.
DMs because no, I also get them.
Yeah.
But sometimes मेरे पास दूसरी किस्म की आती हैं, more activist oriented.
Right.
You know, मेरे साथ domestic violence हुई है, इस तरह की चीज़ हुई है, and then I can divert them to certain areas.
People share their stories when they watch them on television and dramas. And then they
Relate
write
जब करते हैं.
कि ये नहीं कि वो कहते हैं कि you know ये हमारे साथ भी हुआ है.
That's what I
Like
mean.
domestic violence हो तो ये मेरे साथ मेरी कहानी है ये. आप लोगों ने ये कहा कि ऐसा होता नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे साथ ही हुआ है.
Oh.
You know, that kind of a thing. And so we go back and
Can
the
you
next
share
review.
something like that?
I mean, yeah.
Like one example of something कि जो ड्रामे में हुआ जो कि हम लोग and you think कि नहीं हो सकता ऐसे.
मतलब ऐसी बहुत चीज़ें होती हैं. जैसे एक बहुत पढ़ी लिखी लड़की है, and you know, Jaffa for example, and she's a victim of assault in her own house, and we said कि अच्छा ये तलाक क्यों नहीं ले रही, and you know why she mulling over it, और एकदम क्यों नहीं कर रही, and you know इतनी वो emancipated दिखाई हुई है, तो ऐसी लड़की तो फौरन कर लेगी and she'll move on. मैंने नहीं कहा Hassan felt this way, and I said नहीं, it will still take time, but then we got messages that you know I've been in that situation and it took me this long to actually file for divorce or move on.
So it was like what do you call it? Wife rape? Is it called
Marital rape.
marital rape?
It was not
right.
marital. No, it's not. It was not rape. It was mara.
Domestic assault, and she's not leaving. A lot of people don't
Mara,
leave.
yeah.
I mean, and let me tell you something. So when we're talking about this, and we were talking about it, I didn't leave for 5 years. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm an emancipated. I had a business.
There you go.
I had everything. Why? Why
Yeah.
do women not leave an abusive relationship? क्यों नहीं छोड़ती होती हैं? वो इसीलिए नहीं छोड़ती होती कि एक तो हमारे को सिखाया जाता कि निभाओ,
Yeah.
बच्चों का क्या होगा,
Compromise करो.
और आपको आपके ये समझ ही नहीं आ रही थी कि ये अब्यूज है. आप कभी कभी तो आप कुछ दूसरा बंदा बता रहा है कि यू डिजर्व दिस,
Yeah.
यू नो, वही वाली कहानी शुरू हो जाती है. तो जितनी भी कोई एजुकेटेड लड़कियां भी, अब मेरे ख्याल में वो इतना एक्सपोजर हो गया है इन चीज़ों का कि आप पढ़ सकते हैं, मगर पहले आप कहाँ पढ़ सकते थे, कहाँ बात, आपको तो बात भी करने की इजाज़त नहीं है ना. ये ऐसी बात है कि जी इज्जत की बात है, खानदान की बात है. So for me that is a very normal and
नहीं हमारी तो
process.
बहुत weird society है ना, मतलब marital rape exist ही नहीं करता.
हाँ
They don't think marital
exactly.
rape exists. No, it does.
हाँ.
और ये तो हकूक हैं, शोहर के हकूक हैं ज़रूर हैं, बिल्कुल हैं. But consent is a big thing. Even in a marriage, consent is a big thing. So
And
I mean,
hurting
it's
and
like,
hurting.
you can't hurt somebody.
Physically
Yeah,
hurting
exactly.
somebody is not right. नहीं पता लोगों को, नहीं
Yeah,
पता है.
नहीं पता.
और do you think कि आजकल के ड्रामे जो अब आ रहे हैं वो ज़्यादा इन चीज़ों पे मौज़ूओं
Yeah,
पे
some
बात कर
very,
रहे हैं?
yeah, some
Who's your
very
favorite
bold
writer out of all of them?
writers.
हाँ.
Oh, I आजकल तो I'm really enjoying Mustafa Afridi's writing.
अच्छा,
He's
हाँ,
doing
you
some
said that.
fantastic work.
Right.
बहुत अच्छा लिख रहे हैं. Responsible, sensitive, and right now तो he would be my favorite writer. Umaira Ahmed is so good.
Yeah.
She's written some amazing dramas. Amazing, whatever. I think these would be my two favorite.
Do you miss films? Films खत्म
Of
होती
course
जा
I
रही
miss
हैं,
films.
खत्म होती जा रही
I
हैं.
was like,
एक आ रही है वो Love Guru करके.
I know. I'm looking forward to that.
हाँ, me too.
I would like going to the
Nadeem Beg
cinema,
is good.
grabbing your popcorn.
Of course.
और your 3,000 रुपए के nachos. जो कोई खरीद दे तो सही है.
We've done that many times.
We've done that many times.
Sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, going to the cinema, watching a
Yeah.
film is great. It's like,
But it's sad also, ना, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा. That's what I'm saying कि कुछ चीज़ें बहुत regressive हो गई हैं. सिर्फ ड्रामे इस वक्त जो है वो even music. You've also done a lot of work with music.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
enough, but
Yeah.
some, yeah.
And do you miss that? Do you miss that the fact that we don't have a lot of platforms now? It's just obviously Spotify hai, there's young people who can
I think
do
music
this
is doing fine.
Yeah, do you
I
like the
feel-
young music?
I
do.
I
Like
do.
Tala Anjum? Do you
Yeah, I
like
do.
Hassan Rahim?
I do. I do. I like the young ones.
Yeah, you do? Okay.
You have to connect with the youth.
Right.
If you have to be relevant.
Yeah.
And you have to connect like on a sincere level, not के मैंने ये करना है, calculate के इसलिए करना है. No, you have to love it.
Yeah. Have you noticed that Atif Aslam's social media account has changed?
Oh my God, he's become this like social media queen. I love it.
And
I
people are
love
saying,
it.
कौन है पीछे उसके कौन है?
जो भी है यार,
हाँ.
enjoy the content.
You're
It's good.
not behind it, are you?
No, I'm not. No, that's
Just-
one book I would love to write.
Right.
I
What?
would love to do Atif Aslam's biography.
Really?
Yeah, I'd love to do it.
Why?
I don't know. I just think that his entire trajectory is so interesting.
Yeah.
कहाँ एक छोटा सा बच्चा है और कहाँ वो ग्लोबल स्टार वो कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने वो किया and have a story to tell.
Yeah. And also just not having the opportunities.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be one interesting.
For me, it would be interesting to do Tala Anjum. That would be
course, yeah,
interesting. I
yeah,
mean, now
absolutely.
bigger than Atif on downloads and Spotify,
Yeah.
whatever. Because that's वो एक change आ गया ना अब तुम्हारा. It's also political and social.
Yeah.
And it's very street, but it's what people is resonating with people.
Totally.
I think he's also very cool. Tala Kaun.
He's very cool.
टक के सिवा कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I mean, I'm watching. He's all over the.
He's all over.
I mean, there's more ads with him than any.
And how much he must have struggled in those initial years.
Yeah.
But his music
Are
is
you
so
on TikTok also?
good. I'm not.
नहीं अच्छा why?
अब कर ही नहीं पाई यार कितना.
पता है वो सबसे बड़ा platform
I
बन
know,
गया.
I know, but ये
After YouTube.
I know.
हाँ. नहीं कर पाई ना मैं भी नहीं
कर नहीं पाई मैं.
मैं भी नहीं कर पाई.
I'm not going to say like, oh, I don't want to be on TikTok. No, मैं कर ही नहीं पाई. I couldn't do it.
It's not your.
I couldn't do
it's
it. No,
not
it was
your-
just, I mean, my screen time already is like going through the roof.
Right.
कितना और time गुजारूं
मैं
अपने
यही
phone
पूछने
पे.
वाली थी हम आई मीन फॉर मी मैं ये सोची थी हम ना इसके लिए कैसे टाइम निकाले आई थॉट रमजान इज ऑलवेज गुड फॉर माई पॉडकास्ट बट टेल मी कि व्हाट इज योर नॉर्मल डे लाइक
It's crazy.
एंड इज इट ऑल इन योर हाउस
Most of it is.
Okay.
Most of it is in the house.
Okay.
But I'm always on the screen.
या
If I'm checking my emails or I'm checking my Instagram or I'm doing something or I have people, of course, now I have a great team to do everything, but still you're constantly engaged.
राइट
Constant engagement. ड्रामे देख रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, वो कर रहे हो. I love it.
Wow. If you had to, I mean, I know you interviewed Shah Rukh Khan, so I'm not going to talk about it because I know you talked about it. You
Yeah.
met him. I was there. I heard everything you said. No, I wasn't there, but I was talking to you
Yeah.
about it. Who else? I know you love Bollywood also.
Yeah.
Are you missing Bollywood? Are you
I
missing?
love the old Bollywood. ना
The
अभी
old-
वाला
मैं
अभी
वही
वाला
कह
नहीं
रही हूँ,
मैं इतना
change
enjoy.
नहीं आ गया थोड़ा
बहुत
सा?
आ गया ना.
है ना? बहुत सारे नए
बहुत आ
लोग हैं,
गया.
बहुत सारा Netflix हो गया है.
Yeah, but even Bollywood is complaining about that change, right?
Right, right.
There was a really good article
Yeah.
on Jazeera.
Yeah.
He was talking about how the landscape has changed, and how paid content has taken over and how it's kind of damaging the industry.
Right.
It's a really good article. But Bollywood has changed. But वो old school जो Bollywood था ना 90s, 80s and 90s. Oh,
Which I hate the 80s.
I love the 80s. It was so unabashedly like
नहीं वो तो बहुत ही घटिया
घटिया, हाँ,
आइटम
हाँ.
और 1 2
You
3
don't need to
वाला
take it
era
seriously
था.
ना.
जुम्मा चुम्मा
याद है ना ये
वाला.
गाने अभी तक?
मुझे याद इसलिए कि they were so वाहियात and that was so
याद है ना? सिलसिला के सारे गाने याद है ना?
Silsila याद. No, okay. So for me, I can watch Silsila. Now, I could watch the 70s films, but the 80s were
Silsila
too
was
gross.
80s, my
the
dear.
Makeup was garish.
The
No,
Rocky
Silsila was a
and the
separate movie.
Vidhata and the all of them were
Yeah.
80s and then the 90s. I love that. Oh,
Acha, 90s I can
Oh.
take. I can't take.
love it.
Anyway, so ये स्क्रीन के सामने रहती हैं, शीशे के सामने भी जाती हैं कभी. बाल कैसे इतने अच्छे हैं, स्किन ऐसी कितनी. You love getting dressed up. I know that.
love dressing up.
I see you at
But
the, you know, at the
I'm
salon.
a lazy person. I love dressing up, but I need to be in a comfort zone. I don't like doing makeup.
What's your chill thing? What do you chill? What do you, if you're not watching TV, are you reading?
You know, I miss reading. I am not able to read anymore, which is such
You
a
have to.
and I can't read on a screen. I need a book.
I need a book too.
I need a book. Even writing. A lot of people say, you know, एक तो ये कि याद नहीं रहती मुझे चीजें. When you're watching so many dramas, I make notes.
Yeah.
और मैं लिखती हूँ.
But that's good. That's
Yeah,
still
because I forget.
writing.
Some people
Yeah.
don't need it. Hassan doesn't
Yeah,
need it, but
yeah.
yeah, at that age you don't. मुझे नहीं याद रहता, मुझे लिखना होता है. So I need a paper and a pencil, and I like to write. And to read, I need a book in my hand. I'm
So
very.
I went through that too. And then I started it again. And it's about shutting the TV.
हाँ, मैं
and-
Kindle Windle पे नहीं
and
मैं जी
stopping the social media
Yeah.
and just going and reading.
Yeah.
And I can't tell you how much I enjoyed it.
Yeah,
It was
I need to
an
go back.
absolute joy
That's
to go
one
back
thing
to
I
the,
aspire
to the
to do.
paperback or the hard
Absolutely.
copy. Yeah, it's amazing. We're married. We're still married.